Today's topic for discussion is a description of a specific plant, that is Turnera ulmifolia. This plant is commonly called as yellow buttercup plant and it is the member of family Passifloraceae. Let us see all the details of this plant. The habit of this plant is it is a erect perennial herb and it is naturally distributed in tropical as well as subtropical regions of the world where it occurs as a weed. It is naturally growing plant. It produces flowers throughout the year, but still it has not been cultivated as an ornamental plant. At very few places it occurs and it grows naturally. Next, these are the leaves of Turnera ulmifolia family Passifloraceae. Shape of the leaf, it is lanceolate. Color of leaf is dark green. Petiole is present, that means stalk to the leaf is present. If the petiole is present, the leaf is described as petiolate and the petiole is long and thick green. Okay. Phyllotaxy, that is arrangement of the leaves on the stem, that is known as phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy is alternate. How is the leaf margin? Margin of the leaf, it is doubly serrate. Okay. Serrate margin or dentate margin. And base of the leaf, it is narrow and apex is acuminate, pointed. Okay. Stipule is present, hence the leaf is stipulate. Stipules are erect, triangular. And how is the venation? Venation in the leaf, it is reticulate venation occurs. Next. This is the alternate phyllotaxy shown in the photograph. Phyllotaxy means arrangement of the leaves on the plant stem. That is known as phyllotaxy, and phyllotaxy in Turnera ulmifolia is alternate. Next. This is the inflorescence of Turnera ulmifolia. Inflorescence is solitary. What is solitary inflorescence? The axillary bud develops into a flower, hence the growth of reproductive shoot is reduced and a single flower is produced at the end of each stem. Such type of inflorescence occurs in Turnera ulmifolia, which is known as solitary. Okay, axillary solitary inflorescence. Next. This is the flower of Turnera ulmifolia. Flower is having bracts, hence the flower is described as bracteate flower. Flower is having stalk-like structure. Stalk of the flower is known as pedicel, hence the flower is pedicellate. Symmetry of the flower, it is the actinomorphic flower. You can divide this flower in any vertical plane into two parts can be divided. Such flower, symmetrical flower. Such flower is symmetrical flower and it is described as actinomorphic flower. And this flower consists of androecium as well as gynoecium. Both the male and female gamete producing structures are present in the flower. Hence the sexuality of the flower is bisexual. And position of the ovary is superior because the floral units, calyx, corolla, androecium, that is stamens, all are originated from the base of the ovary. Hence the position of ovary is superior. Thalamus is absent in the flower. Color of the flower is very beautiful turmeric yellow color. Next. This is the calyx of Turnera ulmifolia. The calyx is first whorl of the flower. There are 5 lobes of calyx. Each calyx lobe is known as sepal and the sepals are lanceolate in shape and tube-like. In the flower at the basal region they are joined and they form a tube-like structure. Hence the sepals are gamosepalous. Gamo means united. Sepals are united. In the photograph they have been separated by hand. Actually they are united sepals. Okay. Color of the sepal is yellowish green and aestivation is valvate aestivation. The sepal edges are situated in front of each other, opposite to each other. Okay. Aestivation is valvate. Next. This is the bract. It's shown in the photograph to the right side and to the left side for back side of the flower is shown. There is a pair of bract, hence the flower is bracteate flower, and flower is The bract is green and the bracts are lanceolate. Okay, next. This is the corolla of Turnera ulmifolia. Corolla consists of petals. There are 5 petals are present in the corolla. The petals are united at the basal region, hence gamopetalous condition is there. Each petal is ovate. It has a clawed at the base. Petals are clawed at the base. And this type of corolla, form of corolla is rotate or wheel shaped corolla. Rotate form of corolla. Color of the corolla is turmeric yellow. And how many orals are present? Petals are arranged in a single oral, that is orals 1. And petals are free or fused. Petals are fused in Turnera ulmifolia, hence gamopetalous condition is there. Aestivation, again it is valvate aestivation. Next, this is the photograph of androecium and gynoecium. Both are present in the flower, hence the flower is described as hermaphrodite, or it is also described as the bisexual flower. Let us see the androecium or the male part of the flower. Androecium consists of stamens. There are 5 stamens are present in the flower, that is Turnera ulmifolia. 5 stamens are present. In this flower, staminodes are absent. And the stamens are at the basal region, they are joined, they are fused with the petals. The basal region of stamen fused with the petals, hence the stamens are described as epipetalous. And the filaments, the stalk-like structure of the stamen, that is known as filament. Filaments are long, cylindrical, cream colored. Okay. Anther is yellow colored. It is triangular. Anther tip is folded outside and it is basifixed. The basal region of the anther is joined to the filament. Hence it is basifixed. And 2-celled dithecous, dimeans 2. Intrors, they shed off their pollen grains after maturity toward the center of the flower. Hence it is intrors. Okay. Dehiscence of the anther takes place longitudinally. Hence the dehiscence is longitudinal. After maturity of the pollen grains in the anther lobe, naturally the anther lobe split open to shed off the pollen grains, and that takes place by split open of the anther in longitudinal way. Hence the dehiscence is longitudinal. Next. This is the female part of the flower, that is gynoecium. The gynoecium consists of ovary, style and stigma. There are 3 separate styles. They are originated independently from the top of the ovary. 3 separate styles are there, and stigma is somewhat forked, different than all other plants we have seen till today. And stigma is forked. Such a forked or lobed frilled stigma, that is also described as panicillate type of stigma. Okay. And position of ovary is superior, and if you take the section of ovary, there are 3 carpels. Carpels are 3. Locules in the ovary, only 1 locule is there. Ovary with many seeds. Many seeds are present in ovary. And placentation, attachment of the ovule means placentation. Placentation is parietal placentation occurs in Turnera ulmifolia. Next. The fruit in the Turnera ulmifolia, it is a 3 locular capsule. What is capsule type of fruit? It is a dry fruit which split open into several definite sections. It is developed from bi or multicarpellary gynoecium with superior or inferior ovary. At maturity, the fruit opens by valves or pore. Such type of fruit occurs in Turnera ulmifolia, and it is a capsule type of fruit. Okay, next. This is the floral diagram. To create interest among students of botany regarding the plant taxonomy, such type of diagram is given, but scientifically it is an incorrect diagram, it is incomplete diagram. For floral diagram, you have to follow that books of taxonomy. Okay, and in the floral diagram we have shown 2 bracts, a pair of bracts is shown. 5 calyx lobes are shown, and the corolla petals are shown in the photograph. There are 5 petals, and the stamens, 5 stamens are shown in here, but the stamens are attached to the petals. Okay, this is the incomplete diagram. For floral diagram you have to follow the book, because this is the incomplete diagram. Okay, thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.